I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about placenta previa. What do you mean by placenta previa? What are the causes? What is the types of placenta previa? And what are the signs and symptoms? And how we will manage if a female is having placenta previa. So first we will discuss what do you mean by placenta previa. So placenta previa, it is a common type of APH. APH is antepartum hemorrhage. Anti मतलब during the pregnancy when the female is having bleeding. So we will call it as APH, antepartum hemorrhage. So placenta previa, it is the most common leading cause of APH. First point. Second is होता क्या placenta previa के अंदर? First, what do you mean by placenta? Placenta, it is a connection between the mother and fetus, which is supplying blood, oxygen, nutrients to the fetus. So the connection between mother and the fetus is placenta. Placenta प्रीविया का मतलब क्या है कि जो प्लेसेंटा है हमारी, वो हमारी क्या होती है, एंटीरियर होती है, ठीक है, मेनली एंटीरियर इन पोजिशन. इफ द प्लेसेंटा क्या होती है, अगर हमारी लोअर यूट्राइन सेगमेंट के ऊपर आके बस जाती है, इट इज इम्प्लांटेड ओवर द लोअर यूट्राइन सेगमेंट और ओवर द इंटरनल ओस, तो वी विल कॉल इट एज प्लेसेंटा प्रीविया. तो प्लेसेंटा इट इज इम्प्लांटेड पार्शियली और होली इन द लोअर यूट्राइन सेगमेंट, तो we will call that the female is having placenta previa. तो मेनली होता क्या है placenta previa के अंदर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये हमारा मदर का यूट्रस है, इसके अंदर जो प्लेसेंटा, ये हमारा फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेबी है, ठीक है. तो जो प्लेसेंटा है हमारी, ये हमारी प्लेसेंटा है जो हमारी कनेक्टेड है बेबी और मदर के बीच में कनेक्शन है. तो जो प्लेसेंटा है आइदर इट इज कंप्लीटेड ओवर द, जो हमारा ओस है, इंटरनल ओस और द लोअर यूट्राइन सेगमेंट के अंदर, इफ इट इज इम्प्लांटेड आइदर पार्शियली और कंप्लीटली ओवर द लोअर यूट्राइन सेगमेंट, तो वी विल कॉल इट एज प्लेसेंटा प्रीविया. एंड इफ द डिस्टेंस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द इंटरनल ओस, इज कंसिडर्ड एज लोअर यूट्राइन सेगमेंट. So this is the definition of placenta previa. Now we will discuss what are the causes of placenta previa. So the main causes of placenta previa are, फर्स्ट इज मल्टीपैरस वुमेन. सो जो फीमेल्स होती हैं जिनकी मल्टीपल ग्रेविडिटी होती है, तो फिर उनके अंदर क्या हो सकता है, प्लेसेंटा प्रीविया होने के चांसेस हो सकते हैं. सेकेंड थिंग क्या है, अगर मदर को हिस्ट्री ऑफ अबॉर्शन है, प्रीवियस वेरी हिस्ट्री है उसकी अबॉर्शन की, तो उसको हो सकते हैं. थर्ड, ओवर एज, तो हम बोलते हैं ना कि एज मोर देन 35 years, दैट विल लीड टू प्लेसेंटा प्रीविया. और एनी अदर हिस्ट्री ऑफ गायनेकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम दैट मे आल्सो लीड टू प्लेसेंटा प्रीविया इन फीमेल. Now we will discuss what are the types of placenta previa. So placenta previa, it is mainly of 4 types. We will discuss one by one. Type 1 placenta previa, also known as low-lying placenta previa. As the name is suggesting, low-lying. That means the placenta is lying in the lower uterine segment but not covering the internal os. Placenta is implanted in the lower uterine segment. You can see I have made a diagram. I know that the picture these are not clear, even though I will try to discuss through these. Okay. So the placenta है वो हमारी lower uterine segment के अंदर हमारी implanted हो रखी है, but जो internal os है उसको cover नहीं कर रही. That is low-lying placenta. Placenta implanted in lower uterine segment but does not cover the internal os. So in this low-lying placenta, the mother and baby both are good and the vaginal delivery may possible. Second type is marginal placenta previa. Marginal placenta previa के अंदर क्या होगा, जो हमारी placenta है, जो placenta है हमारी, वो हमारी क्या करेगी, it will touches the internal os. That means as we are talking about previa, previa means it is implanted in the lower uterine segment, but according to their type it will be lying there. Low lying means it will lie in the lower uterine segment but not touching the internal os. Marginal means it will touch the margin of internal os, but the जो हमारी प्लेसेंटा है it will lie in the lower uterine segment and it will touch the margin of the internal os. So if the vaginal delivery it is possible, if placenta it is anterior, and if it is posterior, so there may be various complications, so the person has to go for cesarean section. Third is incomplete or partial central placenta. थर्ड टाइप के अंदर क्या होगा, जो हमारी प्लेसेंटा है it will cover the internal os partially. You can see in the diagram that the placenta, this is red color is placenta, and it is covering the internal os partially. So we will call it as incomplete partial central placenta previa. Placenta it cover internal os but not entirely. So the normal delivery and cesarean section can be taken place. So most of the female they are undergoing for cesarean section in type 3 placenta previa. And type 4 it is total central or complete placenta previa. टाइप 4 के अंदर क्या होगा, जो हमारे प्लेसेंटा यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम दिस रेड कलर इट इज प्लेसेंटा एंड दिस प्लेसेंटा इट इज कवरिंग द internal os wholly, completely it is covering the internal os. After the female it is fully dilated till 10 centimeter, even though it is completing, it is covering the internal os fully. So these are 4 types of placenta previa. Type 1 low lying, type 2 marginal, type 3 incomplete or partial central, and type 4 is total central or complete placenta previa. In these 4 types, most common type are type 2 and type 4. These are most common type of placenta previa. The most dangerous type of placenta previa are type 2 if it is posterior. जो placenta if it is posterior, it is dangerous. Type 3 and type 4, these are also dangerous. Okay, now we will discuss what are the signs and symptoms of placenta previa. Talking on signs and symptoms of placenta previa. So the important question that has been asked from the signs and symptoms. So how we will find out that the female is having placenta previa? There will be sudden onset, heavy painless bleeding will be there. The point to be noted that there is heavy painless bleeding, vaginal bleeding will be there without clot. So because of bleeding, the female will suffer from anemia. The fetal heart rate will present and floating head will be there. Uterus will be soft, relaxed and non-tender. Fundal height it will be more than expected for gestational age, and there is a positive stallworthy sign. The question that has been asked, positive stallworthy sign, it is seen in placenta previa. So that you have to remember by mouth. So what do you mean by positive stallworthy sign? The fetal heart rate it will be decreased when we are pressing the head down, and when we are releasing it, it is recovering. So that is positive stallworthy sign. जैसे हम स्टोल को as how we will remember as like there is a stole, हम उसको जब प्रेस करेंगे तो वो सिकुड़ जाता है. तो that means the fetal heart rate it is decreasing when we are pressing it, and when we are releasing it, it is getting more or it is recovering. That is positive stallworthy sign. So these are signs and symptoms of placenta previa. Now we will discuss what all diagnostic methods that we can find that female is having placenta previa. So as we are now aware that there are various ultrasonic methods like TAS, that is transabdominal sonography, TVS, transvaginal sonography, color Doppler and various other methods to find out whether the female is having placenta previa or not. Now we will moving forward toward the management part of placenta previa. The management of placenta previa, what we have to take care if a female is having placenta previa. So what all education we have to tell to the mother. The first thing is after 20 weeks of gestation, if the mother is knowing that she is having placenta previa, so she has to take bed rest. Okay, and the bed rest it should be taken in sideline position. That means she has not to lift heavy weight or heavy exercise, that should not be done. Okay, so she should not sit in squatting position, that should be avoided. Avoid vaginal examination if the female is having placenta previa, because it will stimulate uterine contraction, and because of that the bleeding may occur more, and what may happen, the early onset of labor may be there, and the delivery may take place. So that's why avoid vaginal examination if it is not indicated. Assessment of mother and fetus, it should be taken. So the health history of the mother, what is the parity? If the mother is having any history of smoking, because smoking it may also lead to placenta previa, and in the fetus we have to ask the gestational age, kitna fetal weight है, that should be assessed, and the mother diet should be assessed, and the parity and gravity of the mother, whether it is a multiparity है or age factor, that should be assessed. Complete bed rest in sideline position after 20 weeks of gestation. If there is decreased fetal heart rate, if female is having placenta previa and there is decreased fetal heart rate, immediate delivery it should be done. If the mother is having heavy bleeding with heavy bleeding, so cesarean section it should be done. And replace blood volume. Because of bleeding, the mother may undergo anemia or shock, so that should be replaced by blood volumes. Okay, so this is the management part, how we will manage placenta previa. Next we will discuss about what may be the complication of placenta previa. So the complication for the mother may arise like during pregnancy, there may be early rupture of membrane, or because of bleeding the anemia will be there. और क्या हो सकता है कॉम्प्लिकेशन, लो बर्थ वेट बेबीज हो सकते हैं, और प्रीटर्म डिलीवरीज हो सकती हैं मदर के अंदर, और क्या हो सकता है इन्फेक्शन और सेप्सिस के चांसेस हो सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ ब्लीडिंग, और सम अदर आर मैटरनल शॉक, spontaneous delivery, malpresentation, APH. So these may be some complication during because of placenta previa. So these are some complications regarding it. So this video was related with what do you mean by placenta previa, what are the causes, types of placenta previa, signs and symptoms, and how we will manage if female is having placenta previa. Hope so you guys learn all these things from this video. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.